Welcome to the 124 Spider Key Programming Tips video. In this video, we will cover tips to achieve a successful key programming on the first attempt on the BA124 Spider. Prior to starting the procedure, acquire the RFH pin number. Install a battery charger to the vehicle and maintain approximately 13.5 volts DC. Connect the VCI to the vehicle's data link connector. Log into YTech 2.0 and navigate to RFH, Miscellaneous Functions, and Add Key. Enter the RFH pin and select Continue. Verify the RFH pin and, if correct, select the Yes radio button, then Continue. The 7-minute unlock process begins. Once pin validation and unlock is complete, YTech 2 shows Shift to Additional Registration mode of Remote Transmitter. Select Continue. In the Register the Additional Remote Transmitter Registration Procedure screen, perform the following. On automatic transmission vehicles, depress the brake. On manual transmission vehicles, depress the clutch. The Start-Stop button will begin blinking green. Within 10 seconds of depressing the brake or clutch pedal, place the Fiat logo end of the fabok up to the Start-Stop button, ensuring you do not push the Start-Stop button. Note, it is extremely important to place the Fiat logo of the fabok as close as possible to the Start-Stop button, as the fabok transponder is located below the Fiat logo. Once programmed successfully, the light will turn solid green if the key is new, or solid amber if the key was previously programmed. Select Continue. YTech 2 displays the number of programmed faboks and asks if you'd like to run the registration procedure again. If another key needs to be programmed, do not select Yes and Continue. Only one key can be successfully programmed at a time. If you need to program additional faboks, when the routine is complete, run the Add Key routine again from the Miscellaneous Functions menu. Select the No radio button and select Continue. YTech 2 instructs the user to turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition off and select Continue. Remove all faboks from the vehicle cabin other than the newly programmed fabok. On automatic transmission vehicles, depress the brake. On manual transmission vehicles, depress the clutch. Press and release the Start-Stop button with the fabok, ensuring to keep the Fiat logo as close as possible to the Start-Stop button. Note, it is extremely important to place the Fiat logo of the fabok as close as possible to the Start-Stop button, as the fabok transponder is located below the Fiat logo. The engine should start. Select Continue. YTech 2 instructs the user to turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition off and select Continue. Ensure all faboks other than the newly programmed fabok are removed from the cabin. Place the newly programmed fabok on the passenger seat. On automatic transmission vehicles, depress the brake. On manual transmission vehicles, depress the clutch. Press and release the Start-Stop button with your finger. The engine should start. Select Continue. YTech 2 instructs the user to turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition off and select Close. If programming another key, select Add Key from the RFH Miscellaneous Functions menu and run through the procedure again as previously shown utilizing the new unprogrammed fabok. If when following the above steps you still receive a negative response, 0x11, perform the following steps. Navigate to PCM Miscellaneous Functions, then select PCM RFH Replace. Select Continue. Enter the RFH pin and select Continue. Verify the RFH pin and, if correct, select the Yes radio button, then Continue. The 7-minute unlock process begins. Once the PCM RFH Replace routine is completed successfully, the RFH will be unlocked and allow for successful programming of faboks. Thanks for watching. For additional information and support, consult Service Information, the YTech Knowledge Base, or contact YTech Support. Please select the YTech 2 graphic to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date on the latest YTech 2 news and how-tos.